First, I just dry fitted the monocoque to the main body. So I'm just going to remove it. What I've done is I've just taped these up with masking tape just to keep them out of the way while we assemble the rest of it. So first of all, I need to take there's an end stop here. I just need to remove that. It's just screwed on, so I'm just going to remove it and put it safely somewhere. Before we assemble as well, we just need to check that this is in the right position. Right, we need to put some adhesive on all the contact areas. So I'm going to put some glue across there, on this side and up there. We need to put a little bit on the inside here and here, and also on those locations. So I'm just going to do that now. So if I just move this out of the way for a second. So I get a cocktail stick and some glue. I'm just going to run it on the inside. A bit there. And inside there. So I'll bring this back, and as before, just check this is it located. These then will hook over the front there. So I'm going to do that first, and then we'll just give that a wiggle. You can hear it click in. Alright, that's gone there. Right, that's there. So I'm just going to put a little bit of tape to hold that in position. Just check the side. There we are. It's gone in. Just a little bit of tape to hold that there. Just check that will screw down fine. And then we're just going to check the front end. That's located in. That's located there. Excuse me. And same there. So I'm just going to put a little bit of tape just to hold that in position while the adhesive goes off. Should get a bit of tape. Careful of the logos on the side, that we don't want to damage those. So I'll just put that like that. That goes like that. And like that. And we do the same. Just check there, it's fine. Also the same on the other side. What we're doing, we're just checking the gap at this section here. There. Right, let's put that in there. Try and avoid the logos. So I'll just go around now and put a little bit of tape, just holding that at the front there. And then I'll put the screws in then, just to, there we are. So that's, hopefully the glue will go off on that now. And then I'm just gonna put the screws, just checking the gap at the back. That's down, and then I'm just gonna put the screws in the rear there. All right, not over tightening. So next I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the, I don't know if you could see that, basically I'm going to put the rods that go from the steering there into that, into the piece there and screw it back in. Next I'm going to turn the chassis over, so I'm just going to put it on a Partworks upgrade mat, just to protect it. So I'm just going to turn it up on its upside down. Then I need to remove the tape, and then these will then fall into position there, and then we will put some screws to hold those in. Right, so we need to just spring these out. So we can, so if you notice, there's 2 pins there, and they need to locate in the 2 holes there. So we just got to spring the suspension down, just then to pop it into the holes. Alright, that's gone in. And then we put a screw down to on this to hold it in position. We do the same with this one. Pop it out, locate it in, and then we'll screw that one in as well. Same for the other one. I've already located it, but it's like that. So if you just spring it downwards, it will then pop into position. Then that wishbone then will locate, and then we can screw that in. Up. So it's in, we'll turn it back over. That's located in. So I'll remove the mat. We then need to locate the push rods that go through there, from there into the front. So I just need to locate it there. So I'm going to just get a little tweezers, and then we'll pop them into the holes, and then we'll put the end stop back on. So what we do is center it with the steering wheel, and then I'll just move the wheel until it locates in, and the same for the other one until it locates into the hole. Okay, there we are. Don't think it's designed for the steering, to actually use a steering wheel to turn the wheels, because they're very stiff. But it's, I think it says somewhere, actually says in the construction, is that it's designed when you move the wheels that the steering wheel moves and not vice versa. Okay, so that is the end of this issue.